put them on.
Here, I got it.
Alright, remember to put them on there. I'll, is it maybe examine? No, it's not examine it.
Is he on? Is he on it?
No,
There we go.
there you go.
Alright, you get that side, I got this side.
Yep. 2 minutes. Oh, there you go.
Oh. Alright, which way are we going?
Yeah, let me go on that.
Do I got him? Is he on me?
Yeah, he's on your ass. Pick up back.
Oh, there he is. Ew. Alright.
Yeah. I'm actually just getting dragged on by you. Thank you.
Which way?
See the little boxes there, the 3 little boxes, the one in the middle is the made one.
Alright.
And this, guys, is what it's like to, you know, be carried,
Real life.
get shot, or not get shot.
I got my gun out. Yeah.
Get
Alright,
hit
right here. We'll drop
by
him.
a chopper.
Yeah, no, move a wee bit, it'll mess with the that.
Alright, right here.
But,
Yep. Right. Pull you in a stretcher.
enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching.
Alright,
Shit.
Yep, there you go.
Right, I'll pick up stretcher and then I'll get mid.
Alright.
There you go. He needs bandages fast.
Alright, here.
You bandage him, I'll EpiPen him, and then keep on bandaging and I'll just morphine him and that.
It won't let me.
You need to examine him.
Alright. Just said he does not react. Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Morphine.
Right. See up?
You guys almost got me up.
You need EpiPen.
Yeah. I gave him an EpiPen, it's fine. It'll be up in a second.
Oh, there he is. Woohoo!
Yep. Right.
A few more. Alright.
Give him morphine, I'll give him EpiPen. No, it's glitched, I think.
I gotta grab some morphine.
Right, he needs first aid. That's all he needs.
Right.
Just give him a bit, really.
Hold still.
Get him drugged up. What are you giving him?
Morphine.
Okay, EpiPen.
Sir. Use morphine. Here we go. Alright.
Actually, can you do it? I'll get the chopper fired up.
Alright, yeah. Does he just need morphine, or do I have to give him something else?
Yeah, dude, I think I ran into the chopper's main tail and it's not even moving and it kills you. I think it's just an automatic thing. Yeah.
Wait, where are you going, dude? I still gotta EpiPen you. Or whatever.
Yeah, can you guys move over to me?
I'm gonna go help him.
Yeah, kill me.
Oh, he's down. Hold on, let me grab some EpiPen.
Yeah, for some reason, even when the anti-torch is actually moving, it's like...
I just need some morphine if you not have any, or, I mean...
I'll first aid myself.
Alright, it's loading. Alright, I'm EpiPenning you, so... Alright, up. Loading. Alright, go up. Nope. I don't know what happened, I just... Hello?
What?
Did you get it? I get it. Here, let me do it again.
I'm still healing.
I gave it to you. I don't know what's happening. Oh crap!
Plane position 05671119.
What
Enemy
just happened?
grid 035104112.
Hello?
Everyone did.
I just fell down.
I can't get an option on you.
What just happened?
You hit the dill.
Oh,
Yep.
wow. Oh, this is just a bad day for us.
Yes.
I've had a good day so far until this. I mean, I've been flying about providing support for 7 hours,
I
which
can
is
get
really fun.
a. I can't get a menu.
Shit, he can't interact. I should be up.
I gave him the settings and
It keeps getting changed back.
huh.
Alt. Unlock. Save.
Alright, I'm about to wake up.
Need help.
Never mind.
Fucking Ace. I hate Ace. Oh crap. I don't have a right Windows button.
Yeah, hang with. I got a Razer keyboard just to make it faster, and it didn't have the right one. But thank God I bought a Naga because it has the little buttons on the side. So I just put it to that.
Out of ammo.
Here in about maybe 10 to 20 minutes, I'm probably gonna get off. Is that alright with you guys?
I guess.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I can't get an option.
Well,
Oh no, of course not.
I can't get my settings to save.
just kill me. If you have to, it's okay if you put me down.
I'm sorry, senior. This has to be done.
Just tell me when you're doing it.
I'm out of ammo. Crap.
Oh, take the arrow.
No, the back is proper scam.
Oh god. Oh, one shot me in the head, please. I don't want to hear it.
Oh, he died.
I never thought a teammate had to execute me.
I just aborted.
No. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go to tank. I'll be back in a minute, yes.
Am I dead yet?
No.
I see you.
I'm fixing to pass out. Oh, here's a magic box. Oh, no. Never mind. Med supplies, med supplies.
Oh, Edemo, I added you, I think.
Hello there.
Hello?
How do you want to meet me?
3. Fall back.
What is the right Windows button?
The little, what? You know the little Windows sign?
What's the button look like?
Well, it's the Windows sign with the little what, flag thing.
4
It's,
squares.
That's on
cute.
that's on my left side.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah, I know. It basically, like,
It takes you to the home screen. of
Yeah,
your
no, but
computer.
it's not working.
Oh.
In my A settings says right Windows for interaction menu. Numlock. Save. Then I can't hit the second save.
Oh. Oh wait, whenever you hit like the second save, does it like, is it like little and it's like orange or so or whatever color?
No.
Wait, hold on.
3. Form on me.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That was weird.
Be advised. Out of fuel.
Crap.
right, I'm on my way.
You better hurry up because he's fixing to die.
I mean, I would come faster, but the fucking mirror just ran out of petrol.
Here. It's funny. Oh.
3. Fall back.
Stop. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ears fall off. Oh crap, I don't have any more mags.
Do you just want me to respawn or?
Yeah, just put, wait, hang on,
Huh?
hang on. I might get you, hang on. Don't respawn.
I'm not. Oh.
Slow down. Grab the wall. You know what, I'm just gonna grab a micro Uzi, I'm just gonna light you up.
Form on me.
I don't wanna do this, man.
I know. I bet it's hard to take me out even though I'm still alive! Oh, but wait. I saw your face. I saw your face. I'm trying not to go towards the light. Do I have like God mode or something?
No, just thing was turned off, ran off fire.
You know what? I'm gonna shoot you with a 50 mic, or with a 40 mic.
Oh wait! Don't shoot me!
That woke him the fuck up.
Never mind. I'm in a different spot.
2. Form on me.
Man, I'm stuck over here now.
I'm coming to pick you up.
I'm coming for your dick.
3. Return to formation.
I'm lagging, because I'm recording.
Oh my god, your recording's cool. You're so famous. Much love.
What's your YouTube channel? I just like everything.
I hear a jellycopter.
Helicopter. Top of the morning to you. You want a fucking fight?
Hey!
Have you fucking miniguns, bring on. And these are 7.62 rounds that they'll rip through your fucking flesh.
I'm heading over there yet.
Don't you tell those mighty things.
Whoops.
No, I mean, don't lose it. Look, get it blown up because don't fucking respawn, and I'm not waiting for anyone.
Alright.
It's fine.
3.
Alright, I'm heading over.
No, it's fine. We're on our way back.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn around and destroy this halberd because you know faggots behave.
You know, that 18's a pretty beaut, you know?
Yeah.
The leg.
Oh my. What the heck? I respawned and like I'm already shaking. I didn't even I respawned on like the ground and everything.
Cancel manual fire.
Oh, what's your AO? Hello? Your AO?
Propane.
Alright, you're heading over 2364 and 2502. Alright.
That was nice.
Aw.
Fun boy! Yep.
Dude, there should be freaking rounds.
Alright. Who blew up stuff on the airfield? I see some
What?
smoke. There's... I don't know,
God damn it, Blackbird! Drive faster!
Are you in a Maverick or...
I'm not in a Maverick.
We're in a Blackhawk.
Oh, Blackhawk, never mind.
Yeah.
Can you hear stuff?
No.
Yeah. Can you hear what the TV? Yeah.
I can hear you.
3.
Oh! Probably just means the chopper. Right, 300, so that'll take about...
Whenever you guys get down, I need you to execute me, Sardi. I don't...
UAV position 05.
What is this? Oh my god!
Yeah. I'm trying to execute him.
Are you getting fired at?
I'll really shoot you with miniguns that will rip through your flesh. Seconds.
Oh, quit moving.
Yeah, don't you know how to fly? I need to fucking steady this thing. Let me get as low.
You guys ready to be shot down? No, I'm just kidding.
Do you want me to kill you?
Yeah.
Hop out of that.
Alright. Wait, I'll actually want you to like grab a pistol and execute you.
Why? This is a
Make
pistol.
me drop my guns and everything.
Nah.
Right, done.
Alright, kill me.
Quit moving. Quit moving.
I'm steadying it.
I just want to shoot right now. Can I shoot? Oh, keep on ripping me up. Rip me up.
Enemy cars.
Dude, there's absolutely... Why do we have a log?
We done. I said I accidentally pressed the wrong button and it turned off.
What the heck?
Are you still alive?
I don't know what just happened. I respawned and all of a sudden I fall
More ammo.
over. Respawn button in needed situations. I did.
Oh my god, hang on, I'll be right back. Yes. Playing armor. We got a server going and got a couple of friends on.
I ain't your friend, son. I'm your mother.
It's a little mission that comes with Ace.
Guess who's getting run over? Empty.
Hang on, I'll be right back, guys. I'm recording.